So today we will be installing a third brake light, reverse light, and DRLs for BRZ and H6 second gen, I believe. So we already went ahead and removed the OEM reverse light. It holds about 3 clips. There's a whole plastic bracket on the bottom bumper. So the first thing you're going to do, since it's going to be on a OEM tail lights, I'm going to go ahead and show it onto the, well, it should be the same thing for the aftermarket tail light, but first I'm going to show it on the OEM. So the first thing you're going to do is take out the tail light. You're going to go ahead and remove it, which we already did. And of course you can go ahead and unplug and get this out of the way. What I did was run this wire, it could be a lace or any wire or hanging wire, run it down to the bumper. You're gonna see that there's can barely even see, put it down there. You can see that hole right there. So you're gonna run the wire through here so you can connect it to the OEM harness onto the tail light or the aftermarket tail light. So I'm gonna go ahead and explain what each wires are. So there is 4 wires. So the black one is ground, white is reverse light, green is DRLs or animation, and then the blue one is brake light. So the 2 wires that you're gonna run through the tail lights or connected to a tail light will be blue and green. So remember, green is DRL and animation, blue is brake light. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie this up. So I'm gonna go ahead and use, I recommend using a T-tap splice. So like I said, blue wire is brake light and the green one is animation DRL. So on the OEM tail light, the pink one will actually be DRLs or animation. So make sure that the green wire is on the pink wire for animation and DRL. Brake light will be the red wire, which will be on the third brake light will be the blue wire. So make sure that the blue is on red and green is on pink. I'll repeat it again. So it's green on pink, red on blue. If you're gonna connect it to the harness, it's gonna be pink is animation DRLs, and then brake light will be the brown wire. So you connect it on here, so it's gonna be blue on brown and green on pink. So we're gonna go ahead and connect it. If you have an aftermarket BRZ tail light, it's almost the same thing. So green will be on the green one, and then the blue one will be onto the red one. So green on green and red on blue. So on the third brake light on the bottom, we'll use the black one and the white one. So this is white is reverse light, black is ground. So on here we're gonna use this harness. So the red one is reverse light, so it's gonna be white on red and black on black. Make sure that the ground is getting well contact. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you in a minute how to connect it. So what I did right here is, like I said, red on white, which is reverse light, black on black is ground. So pretty much what I did, I kind of ran it like that, but I'm gonna After this, I'm gonna show you how to do like a slight modification if y'all willing to do it. But since I recommend you to use the T-tap splice, so the white wire will be on the red one, black on black, so it'll be in the back the same way I did it onto the tail light with the T-tap splice. So it's like I said, the blue wire will be onto the brown wire if it's on the harness. On the tail light will be red, and then the green one will be onto the pink wire. Same thing for the OEM harness. And then ground will be on black, which was down here. It's gonna be on black, and then the reverse light will be onto the red one right here. So don't get it confused. So make sure that the reverse light is on here onto the bottom red one, not the top one onto the tail light on this harness. So make sure you don't put the blue wire on here. So when I say the blue wire is gonna go onto the red one onto the tail light. So the white wire is going to the red one on the bottom light or the bottom harness. What we did on here was cut the wire off of the OEM third brake light. And so it's like I said, on this one, since we cut it off, so the white will be on the green one, and then the black on black like always. So we solder it, and we're about to put some heat shrink, so it could just be plug and play. So the wire won't be hanging. So make sure if you do this method, make sure that the white wire is on the green one, and then black on black. So make sure you got good contact so it can be able to turn on. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick test. Turn on your DRLs. Brake light. Go ahead and give me reverse. Also, in the kit, they will come up with this button. So what this button does is it's gonna turn on and off the animation. So I'm gonna click it again. Turn on your DRLs, and it has an animation. So if you don't want the animation, just go ahead and install this button. Click on it, table the animation. But if you want the animation, no need to connect it. DRL. Brake light. Reverse.